technical difficulties as I knock my camera off. Okay, let's do this. Okay, stuff's already totally gonna fall out. I also don't know which way this was supposed to open. Oh, never mind. I do know. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Good. Okay, I'm almost there. Then we can get into what everything is. Or maybe just go like this and then put it here. Angles. Okay. So this is apparently a birthday present. Whoa! Okay, I totally broke everything. Oh boy. Whoa. Okay. I don't think that was supposed to happen. They kind of taste stale. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna flip the camera on. Can you flip the camera on? Nope. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but food. So something definitely exploded. They taste like cheese. I'm gonna... This bag totally exploded. Okay. Okay, so he told me that there's like some dolce latte, which is like some chocolate thing. Oh. I hope this didn't expire. Okay, I think it's good till June. That's chocolate. That's that. Chocolate. The stuff that exploded are like these, they taste like cheese balls, but they kind of taste stale. I don't know if that's how they're supposed to taste or if I'm supposed to cook them. Oh. There's bacon. Oh shit, this is gonna... Bacon stacks. I'll eat that. Am I supposed to refrigerate anything? Nope. I'm gonna have to ask him how much this stuff has to be refrigerated. There's spicy chip things. Those guys. That'll be fun. Oh, there's a drink. Oh boy. A tutti frutti thing. Everything just... Oh, these things just exploded. Oh. There's some nuts. Oh, please tell me these are the cheese ball things. Oh, okay, I think these are like the cheese stuffed pastries. My former teacher's wife made them. They were so good. I don't know where to put things without everything just crumbing. Okay, that's gonna stay. This is like almonds? My grandparents don't like the oh. Yeah. This looks like grapefruit. I'm gonna have to look all this up. I want to make sure stuff's like refrigerated. This looks like a chocolate nut bar. That looks good. Something. Okay, this is some kind of pizza tasting thing, but there's ketchup. A cracker thing. And then individually wrapped things, but I don't know if this is refrigerated. This is such a mess. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up. But thank you to my friend Alex. This is awesome. I don't know how much of this I can actually eat. I don't know if it's stale. I will call you. But thank you. And sorry for the technical difficulties.